Hi, this is Gigi. Welcome to our channel. Now the holidays around, I have a lot of boxes I'm opening and I'm sharing with you. Chanel, Dior, Kerastase, everything I like and everything I buy for myself. I'm sharing my honest opinion. You know, when you buy things from Christian Dior, you get to pick like a couple of samples. But I have promo codes for you. You can get extra samples. So some of them give some pouches and creams and things. They might work until end of the holidays or as long as they last. Please don't forget them. Look down below into the description box. Today I'm going to share my Dior favorites. Ta-da! Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, y'all! Happy New Year! Happy birthday! It's gonna fit you all. These packagings are so cheerful, so happy. Makes me happy. Probably, as you know right now, these videos are not sponsored. I bought everything with my own money, and therefore it's going to be no obligations to anybody. I'm gonna give you my real opinion. Here we go. Open the beautiful Dior packagings. It's beautiful ribbon. These boxes are so cute. It's like butterflies, flowers, I guess some birds and things on it. Ta-da! It's really a nice box. This is from my son. It says, "Merry Christmas, Mom. I love you." So I get my gifts earlier this year because I'm making these videos. I told them to give me earlier, and that's what they do. And beautiful. Okay, here we go. These are the testers I get for purchase. Everybody gets these. When you buy something, you're allowed to pick 2 testers. Oh, guys, I have some promotion codes. Unfortunately, I learned them after my orders, but I'm gonna leave it for you. And my husband will gonna write here somewhere. Try them. And you can get extra gifts with this promo codes. I want to talk about this lip glow. I got this before with my another purchase, so I'm very particular with my lipsticks. I only use 2 lipsticks. I love it. I can show you them if you're interested. What do I like? I tried these guys, of course. You see this color here? It says mahogany. It's dark brown. It's not appealing at all, but it looks so good at my lips. I'm gonna add it end of the video. I couldn't believe it. So this time I choose again the same tester to make sure if I really like it or not, and I'm gonna try again. From outside it really doesn't look attractive to anybody probably, but at the lips it looks amazing. So, and okay, these pouches are nicer than Chanel's pouches actually, honestly. Way more quality. Oh, I get a lot of gifts. This one, this is a man perfume, Sauvage, Dior Sauvage. I'm gonna make a video about this because I got this for my son. It's yummy. Beautiful. This is Bois d'Argent. I don't know. I don't speak French. I don't know if I pronounce it right. This is some other kind of perfumes I never tried from Dior. Let's try. Wow. I don't know. This one, honestly, no. First smell, I didn't like it, but it's kind of growing on me. Okay, I'll check on this. I'll let you know towards the end of the video if I liked it or not. Bois d'Argent. I hope it's a perfume. Yeah, it says the perfume, not a home, not a home spray or something. And that's the Jadore. This is Jadore. We tried this before at my other videos. Jadore is beautiful. I think it smells really yummy. I think every woman's perfume you can. I mean, Jadore is beautiful. I love. So this pouch is nice, good quality. So this is the perfume Joy. That's what I got for my birthday. Intense. Other perfume Intense. Okay, I have a problem with some of the perfumes. They don't stay on my body, so I choose this time Intense. Oh, packaging is so good quality. Pink, pearly, shiny. This is Dior Joy. Okay, let's try. I love it. It smells so good. I don't know why it reminds me of Marie Antoinette. They shouldn't name that. It's like, it reminds me like that beautiful birthday party. Cupcakes, candies, beautiful roses, peonies. Imagine like you're in a beautiful English garden, or in this case let's say French garden because it's from France. Mad Hatter sitting at one area. You pull the top, it's holding tight. I wondered why. Actually, it's magnetic. Whoa. Isn't that cool? It's magnetic. It's beautiful. I don't know why it reminds me of Marie Antoinette, that beautiful pastel colors in the Paris palaces. She wore her puffy dress eating cupcake. It's a very happy, joyful perfume. And the presentation is great. And this is my honest opinion about Perfume Joy. It's beautiful. It's a great gift to anybody. Please don't forget to subscribe and let us know if you like our videos, and you can ask any questions if you have questions. We always love to hear from you guys. This is the lipstick I was telling you guys. It's the Mahogany from Dior. From the outside it looks really dark and not appealing, but when I put it on my lips I really liked it. This one. Again, not sponsored, I'm just sharing what I like. Please don't forget to subscribe. Happy holidays!